Hello, everyone. My name is Jenny Moore, and I am back with another book review for my YouTube channel. Today, I will be sharing my thoughts on the book Cook, Eat, Repeat: Ingredients, Recipes, and Stories by the renowned author Nigella Lawson. For those of you who are not familiar with Nigella Lawson, she is a British food writer, television host, and cooking show judge. She has written several best-selling cookbooks and is known for her simple yet delicious recipes that focus on using fresh, seasonal ingredients. Now let's dive into the book. Cook, Eat, Repeat is not just a cookbook. It is a beautiful collection of stories, memories, and recipes that will make you fall in love with cooking all over again. Nigella's writing style is warm, witty, and engaging, making it feel like you are having a conversation with a friend rather than reading a cookbook. The book is divided into chapters based on different ingredients, such as eggs, chicken, chocolate, and more. Each chapter is filled with mouth-watering recipes that are easy to follow and perfect for everyday cooking. What I love about this book is that Nigella not only shares her recipes, but also the stories and memories behind them, making it a truly personal and heartfelt read. One of my favorite recipes from the book is the linguine with lemon, garlic, and thyme mushrooms. It is a simple yet flavorful dish that is perfect for a quick weeknight dinner. The combination of lemon, garlic, and thyme adds a burst of freshness to the dish, and the mushrooms give it a hearty and satisfying texture. Overall, Cook, Eat, Repeat is a must-have for any food lover. It is not just a cookbook, but a beautiful journey through Nigella's love for food and cooking. I highly recommend this book to anyone looking for delicious and comforting recipes that are perfect for any occasion. Before I end this review, I want to remind you all that the link to the full book is pinned in the first comment below. Thank you for watching, and I hope you give this book a try. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more book reviews. Happy cooking!